Tecno's latest flagship smartphone, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro, is now available in the South African market. The smartphone's 6.8-inch display screen is combined with the ultra-high-resolution display. Tailored for Gen Z, Tecno indicates its Spark 10 Pro features a 32MP selfie front camera with dual flash and a 50MP rear camera. Furthermore, with smart super night filters and the super night algorithm, as well as the dual flash. The Spark 10 Pro's MediaTek Helio G88 gaming processor creates a smooth user experience for daily use, adding it features 16GB RAM, 8GB plus 8GB extended, and 256GB ROM. The Spark 10 series offers an advanced 50-megapixel AI camera, bringing natural shots that are fully adapted to skin tones. The entire Spark 10 series is equipped with dual flash on both the front and rear cameras. The Spark 10 series are supported by a 5000 mAh battery and 18 watts fast charging capability.